Hello, my friends. My voice doesn't sound good today. I guess I'm getting sick with this blizzard and all of that outside. It's too cold, too much snow out there. But in here, I just want to show you that I cooking a delicious chicken. It's like a chicken soup, but has a pasta in it and vegetables, potatoes. Look at this. Look at this, so good. Mmm. And yeah, pasta have vegetables. Look, you see, pasta, vegetables, mix with potatoes. See, isn't it good? So I cook this. I put a little spicy on it, just a little bit, not too much. You know, some people love spicy, so you can add a little spicy like chili. Um, but for me, I don't like too much spicy. Not too good now when I got this throat like bothers me today. But yes, look at the chicken. Isn't it good? Delicious chicken with potatoes, cook. So esto es pasta con papas. Mira para allá, vegetales y pollo. Bien rico el pollo, miren. The chicken is completely nice and cooked. Good color, beautiful, golden color. And good potatoes, good vegetables in it. A little pasta on it. I don't put much to it. I don't want to make it like too much pasta, but just a little bit. See? It looks good. And it's going to get ready in a few more minutes, 50 more minutes. So, it smells so good. It's going to be my dinner tonight. So if you want to try like a soup, you can put it at a lot of water, of course, with chicken, potatoes, vegetables, a little pasta. You can add a pasta to it, excuse me, or a little rice. So, and mix vegetables, potatoes, little ingredients what you like. Okay, also have garlics in it. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Bye. Hey, I'm sorry. Subscribe and like. Yes, I need a little more likes, please. I really appreciate it so much. Bye. I love you guys. I love my subscribers. And thank you. Thank you so much.